Find the ratio of circles to squares. So we have 3 circles and 6 squares. So there are 3 different ways to write ratios. We can write it using a colon, we can write it using the word 2, or we can write it as a fraction. But it's important to always simplify our ratios. So 3 to 6 can be simplified by dividing by 3. This gives us 1 to 2. So the ratio of circles to squares is 1 to 2, or 1/2. Find the ratio of squares to total shapes. So again, we have 6 squares and we have 9 shapes in total, and we have to include the squares in our total because they're part of the total number of shapes. So squares to total shapes is 6 to 9, but again, we have to simplify. We can divide the numerator and denominator by 3, and we get 2/3.